Cheap Not Broke family, how's everybody doing? Real quick, I want to talk about health insurance. It's open enrollment and you need some health insurance. But before we do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this with a friend. Alright everybody, right now it's open enrollment. Open enrollment right now. That means you need some health insurance. Why? Because if you don't have any, they're going to charge you. Long time ago, if you didn't have any health insurance, that was just on you. But now, if you don't have any health insurance, they are going to charge you. So whether you have it or not, you got to pay. So you might as well have it. But the thing about this health insurance thing is very confusing. HMO, PPO, silver plan, blue plan, green plan. What does all this mean? It's a lot. So I would suggest definitely call your healthcare provider, or make sure you check in with your job, with HR, and find out what's going on with your health insurance plan, because you do not want to be out there without health insurance. It's very, very expensive, very costly. I looked at a health insurance plan. The deductible was $7,000. $7,000! I can buy a car with $7,000. I can pay half of my year's rent with $7,000, but yet health insurance, you got to meet the deductible. So basically, if you don't have $7,000 worth of stuff wrong with you, you got to pay that. I didn't understand that. Now, it's a little bit different than car insurance. Car insurance is a little more basic than health insurance, because you got different plans. You got members of your family on the health insurance plan. So you got to really do your research. I'm no health insurance expert, but I do know you need it, and I do know if you don't have it, they're going to make you pay a tax penalty. What happens is this: so if you don't have, when you file your taxes, you get that health insurance form. I'm not sure exactly the number of the form. It's 1050 something. But anyway, when you don't have that form and you don't submit it when you file your taxes, that's how they're going to know you don't have health insurance, and that's how they're going to hit you when you get your refund, if you get a refund. Because if you didn't file for unemployment and didn't pay the taxes, no refund for you. But I'm just saying, really, really, really make sure, especially if you have children. If you have children, you really want them to have health insurance. You don't want your kids out there without health insurance. They're going to make you have health insurance. And if you're a dad and you happen to not be living in the house with your kid, you're responsible for paying health insurance. So if you go to court and they make an arrangement between you and who you had your child with, or mother, they're going to make you pay health insurance. So there's no way around having health insurance. I know in the state of California, open enrollment is now, so you still have some time. Now, I'm not going to lie, this stuff is expensive. The cheapest plan I seen was like $200 a month. Pretty much a small car payment. Yeah, a small car payment. So you want to really make sure you really understand the plan, and you don't want to need something and not be able to get it. You don't want to need a certain type of health insurance and then you didn't get that plan and you got to pay all this extra money. Because you got in-network, out-of-network. You got to find a doctor. You got to get referrals and specialists. It's a whole lot of stuff. But one thing we do know, we are humans and we do have issues and we break down time to time. It might just be an accident or something. I had a situation with my hand. I had to go to urgent care. It cost me almost $300 out of pocket. Didn't have health insurance at the time. Yes, I was able to afford it, but at the same time, if I had health insurance, it would have probably cost me a whole lot less. Well, then again, it cost me $300 for the month. It would have cost me $200 for the month, so it worked out. But long term, that would have been a bad idea. You need health insurance. You don't want to walk around banking on luck, because if your luck runs out, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So everybody on this channel, please, please, please look into health insurance. Find the plan. At least do the research. If you're not going to get any, fine. Do the research, because open enrollment is a small window. If you miss that window, you can't get in. So hey, like this video. If this has been helpful to you, you got some questions on health insurance, drop them below. I'll send you an article. I'll see what I can find. Maybe you can help somebody else. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, save that money, and get a health insurance plan.